when it comes to rice development? Yes or no lang po?
With the support,
Satisfied or no? With the present situation, given nag-usap tayo kanina pa rito, 3 oras na, satisfied yes or no?
that we have, Mr.
You are not
Chair.
satisfied.
With the irrigation that we have.
In short, you are not satisfied. Yeah.
With due respect to the administrator
Sir,
who
yes
have been
or no lang
working
po.
for the past
Ito ang Wow Trending. Nagkasagutan si Yusek Leocadio Sebastian at si Senador Rapi Tulfo sa issue ng korupsyon sa NIA. Nang tanungin kasi ito ni Senador Rapi Tulfo kung satisfied ba siya sa performance ng NIA, yes or no. Pero ang layo ng sagot ni Yusek Sebastian, kaya nainis si Senador Rapi Tulfo. Dapat daw talaga na may makasuhan at makulong dahil sa sobrang mahal ng bigas at panay pa tayo import sa ibang bansa. Dati na ring may issue sa asukal itong si Sebastian. Nagbitiw ito noon sa pwesto nung pumutok ang issue ng asukal at nagulat na lang ang mga kababayan natin kung bakit pa ito nakabalik bilang Yusek na naman ulit. Once tiwali is always tiwali. Bakit kasi nariyan pa yung Leocadio na yan? Hindi pa ba obvious sa paikutan sumagot? Ming alibay, hindi diretsahang sagot, gusto lang umiwas kasi palpak siya. Pag ganyang ugali ng mga official, wala tayong matutunguhan. Bakit nakabalik pa yan? Si Sebastian, buwaya yan, matanda ka na, hindi mo madadala yung kayamanan mo pag ikaw ay namatay. Pinapakain mo sa pamilya mo puro nakaw sa kaban ng bayan. Resign na po mga tiwali at walang nagawa kasi kawawa ang maralita. Alam niyo po, Mr. Nia at Mr. Yusek, sa Japan at Korea, summer season lang sila. Nakakatanim ng palay pero sapat ang bigas nila po. Nakita niyo ba ang irrigation nila? 4 meters ang lapad, sobrang linis pa. Puntahan niyo para maniwala kayo. Bakit ang tibay niyang Sebastian na yan? Sayang ang pasweldo dyan. Daming magagaling from UP, other university. Palitan na yan.
May tatanong pa sana ako, Mr. Chair, kay Yusek Leocadio Sebastian.
Yusek
Pero,
Sebastian.
oo, nagtatawanan sila, nagbubulungan. Hindi ko natatanungin kasi sigurado kakampiyan din siguro eh. Kanina ko pa na-observe, nagbubulungan sila, parang friendship na sila eh. May pinid kasi sa akin na question sila, yung staff ko. Pag na lang siguro.
Sa budget hearing na.
Oo, kasi parang magkaibigan tong dalawa, nagbubulungan eh. Ang tanong ay, tanungin ko na rin. Binigay nyo, tanungin ko na rin. Yusek Sebastian, as Yusek for Rice Industry Development, are you satisfied with NIA's performance? Sigurado sagutin niya yes. What is the problem that you see with NIA at puro delay? Sabi niya, walang delay. Pakisagot po.
Mr. Chair, as the Yusek for Rice, that's why I'm challenging.
Are you satisfied?
I'm challenging.
Pakisagot na po, are you satisfied?
Let me premise first, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, pakisagot lang muna, yes or no, are you satisfied?
That's why I'm challenging.
Sir,
them, sir.
Sir, isa lang, yes or no? Are you satisfied with the performance of NIA when it comes to sa kanilang performance when it comes to rice development? Yes or no lang po?
With the support,
Satisfied or no? With the present situation, given the facts that we've seen, nag-usap tayo kanina pa rito, 3 oras na, satisfied yes or no? And based on the records that you have, yes or no lang po?
Yan ang lalabas sa dyaryo bukas.
kaya
Lalabas sa dyaryo bukas. Yusek Sebastian, satisfied with rice production.
Dalawa lang, sir. You say satisfied or not satisfied. O sige, yun lang. Satisfied or not satisfied?
the irrigation that we have,
Yes, sir. No,
I'm not
no,
satisfied with the irrigation that we have, Mr.
You are not
Chair.
satisfied.
With the irrigation that we have.
In short, you are not satisfied
But that is a...
with the irrigation because the irrigation ay puro delay. At
Hindi
hindi
naman, sir.
tama
It's not enough. It's not enough.
No, so you're blaming. No. Performance po. Yung performance ng ating mga taga-NIA.
With due respect to the administrator
Sir,
who
yes
have been
o no lang
working
po.
for the past few
Alam niyo naman po,
months
di ba
only.
yung trabaho ng NIA, yung mga irrigation na nagawa na nila, yung budget na natanggap nila from the government.
I can only say that I'm satisfied with the performance of Administrator Gillian and Nia at this time.
Because, sabi ko na satisfied kasi nagbubulungan na silang dalawa eh.
But
Anticipate ko na.
I cannot speak for the previous years, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
but you are the USEC for
Yes,
rice industry development. Then, how long you've been assigned to DA as USEC?
For rice since February only, Mr.
February. Pero since February, you should have done an assessment, evaluation dun sa rice production natin. So are you satisfied at kung
That's why I said, Mr.
You're
Chair,
satisfied with-
I'm not satisfied with the irrigation that we have for rice at this time. We need.
is it because lack of irrigation or because meron tayong mga irrigation pero hindi nagpa-function at delay?
It's like this, Mr. Chair. That's why I challenge them. If we can have 1.5 million, because NIA say,
Sir,
no,
Mr. Chair, I'm not gonna accept that answer. Pinapaikot mo kami. No.
Hindi, sir.
No.
We have to
Sagutin mo lang naman,
context
sir. So is it because sabi mo kasi sa rice it's kulang sa irrigation kasi sabi mo not satisfied with the irrigation.
yes, Mr. Chair, because
Is it because kulang sa irrigation or dahil delayed yung mga irrigation? Yun ang gusto ko lang malaman. Sir, performance ang pinag-usapan natin dito.
there are 2 million hectares supposedly irrigated
What
during
my
the dry
question, you're not
season.
answering my question, sir. Sir, you're not answering.
But it's not a
As far as
straightforward answer, Mr. Chair.
Well, it's a straightforward answer based on the irrigation.
it's not, Mr. Chair.
Yes, it is.
Not argued,
not.
Senator Tulfo. Siguro, to rephrase the question, sir.
Yes, sandali po, Mr. Chair. Ano po?
Yes.
Sorry. Di ba ikaw yung USEC for rice production?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And then dapat accounted mo, ilan ba yung mga irrigation system dyan in place at ilan ba yung mga palayan na nakikinabang dyan?
Yes,
at
Mr. Chair.
ilan ba ang harvest ng mga palayan na nakikinabang dyan nung mga nagawa na ng mga irrigation?
But if you
At
will-
ilan yung mga irrigation na hindi nagagamit at nasasayang lang? Yun ang ibig ko sabihin. Yun yung bibigyan mo ng assessment.
If you will allow me, Mr. Chair, to explain, because this is agriculture, Mr. Chair. Okay? So, what I'm saying is that during the dry season, from January to June, there are supposedly 2 million hectares planted to rice. My challenge to them is that can we have at least 1.5 million? You assure me that 1.5 million with good water during that period from December to April. They say it's not possible at this time. So they can only, the administrator saying 1.3, you can. So that means we do not have enough irrigation for the rice period that we want to satisfy. So that's why I say I'm not yet happy with I'm not satisfied with the irrigation facilities or irrigation capability that we have at this time.
So you're not
That's
satisfied.
the premise, Mr.
Exactly.
Chair.
You're not satisfied with the irrigation facility in place. So, yung second question yung sa rice production na base doon sa mga irrigation
Yes, Mr.
that are
Chair.
supposed to be in place na budgetan na by the thousands. So, are you satisfied doon sa rice production?
Yes. Is that a yes? Nod ka?
I've already said, Mr. Chair, that I'm not satisfied.
So, that means, Mr. Chair,
If we can improve it, the best. Because, you know, Mr. Chair, in other countries, like Vietnam,
okay
where I
na sa
work-
akin yun. You're not satisfied.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Engineer Guillen, you have a lot of work to do para ayusin niyo po yung irrigation system natin nang sa gayon maging satisfied si Yusek Sebastian.
Thank you, sir.
Yes mo.
Tama po, sir.
Kapag na-satisfy si Yusek Sebastian, satisfy yung mga farmers, satisfy ang ating taong bayan.
But, Mr. Chair,
But you should not be doing that for Yusek Sebastian.
No,
You'll be doing that for the taong bayan.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
But sir, if I may, at the rate we're going, with the budget that we have, it will take us maybe 80 to 100 years bago po natin ma-irrigate yung remaining 1.1 million hectares na potentially irrigable po natin.
Alam nyo, naku, mag-aaway na naman tayo nito. Engineer Guillen, sa dinami-daming mga irrigation projects tayo, kung tinapos nyo lang sa tamang oras at ginawa nyo ng tama, naku, baka sapat-sapat na yung mga natin, harvest ng mga bigas natin. Baka hindi na natin, Mr. Che, kailangan pa mag-import. Baka exporter na tayo. Sa libo-libo mga irigasyon, pati mga communal na, kung namomonitor nyo lang, nagagawa nyo para magandang pagkagawa, by the thousands yan na irrigation, ilang by millions and millions of tonelada ng bigas siguro na harvest natin, we don't need to import. Kung nagawa lang, tama?
Tama
Thank
po.
you.
At actually,
Thank you.
sir,
Yun lang
gusto ko lang
malaman.
sabihin.
At least tama tayo rito.
Nagpapasalamat din po ako at least na mayroon itong itong investigation na ito.
Blue
Kasi
Ribbon.
Blue Ribbon Committee. Kasi napapadali yung trabaho natin. Kasi alam nyo, pag leader ka, mahirap po magsungit. Pero ngayon po, dahil nandito yung investigation natin, may karapatan po akong magsungit ngayon. At,
I like this guy, Mr. Chair. Mukhang ang
para
tumatama na siya.
Pabilis po natin.
Alam na niya yung direksyon na patutunguhan niya.
I think, Mr. Senator Tulfo, concerning your previous suggestion that we invite a third-party engineer,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
would direct the Secretary to invite for the next hearing the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers
Yun.
para
Very nice.
to validate and everything. Unless the good senator has other questions.
Medyo
Tapos na yung presentation nyo, General Bisaya? Meron pa ba? Ano pa yung sa inyo? How many more minutes? Sabi mo, 5 minutes lang.
Eh,
Yung
may
highlights
presentation siya.
lang.
Ako na muna siguro, Mr. Chair. Sige, pakita ulit. Presentation ka. Ako muna. Baguyos. Pakita ang baguyos. Mr. Chair, mabilis lang to.
Baguyos.
Tuwing nasisira ang mga irigasyon namin, kami lang po ang nagre-repair. Lahat kaming mga magsasaka dito sa amin, nagtutulungan po. Wala namang pumupuntang NIA dito sa amin. Nananawagan po ako sa NIA, Sir, Ma'am, sana matugunan nyo ang aming problema sa aming irigasyon. Kaya silang-sila na po.
Okay, sir.
Ito lang po ang pinagkukunan
Umiiyak.
namin ng tubig sa aming palayan. Kung wala po ito, hindi kami po nabubuhay.
Yung sa bagay. Punta ka doon. Ayan yun.
The committee will dispense with the attendance now of Yusek Sebastian because he has to attend to another meeting. Ito pong Baguyos Communal Irrigation.
Yes.
General Bisaya.
Yes, sir.
Umiiyak
ito nga,
na.
Ito nga po talaga, sir, isang problema natin. When we say communal irrigation system, this is composed of less than 10,000 hectares. At ito po ay request ng na malagyan sila ng mga farmers ng irrigation. So pupuntahan po ng NIA yan, no? Gagawan po ng irrigation system, but then insofar as the maintenance and operations, yung mga farmers po ang magso-shoulder. So wala na po yung NIA dyan. Pagka ito po yung isang problema nga sa CIS. Ang minamaintain po ng NIA ay yung National Irrigation System, yung more than 10,000 hectares. Kaya nga po kung diyan na kung hindi matuloy ma-devolve sana yung mga ito at saka mapondohan for this para ma-maintain din talaga directly by NIA.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Wala ba kayong kahit technical support dito?
Technical support lang, sir.
Kaya, kanina kasi ang sinabi nung isa, yung pinakita ni Senator Tulfo, umikot-ikot lang daw.
Either, ang mga nangyari dyan, kuminsan kasi itong Benguet, ilang beses na po nating ni-repair dyan. No? Kasi, mahirap din po kasi talaga yung tubig, yung mga yung mga nakatira po doon. Kaya binubutasan po nila kasi yung mga pipes, tapos para maglalagay sila ng tubig sa sa bahay nila. Kaya po nawawalan ng tubig doon sa baba.
Mr. Chair,
Sinisisi niyo po yung mga farmers.
Yes,
No, I
sir.
don't
Yes,
think
sir.
so. No, sir, that's not the right thing to say. Ang sabi po ng mga na-interview ng staff ko dyan, dati may pupunta raw taga NIA noon at nagbibigay ng para sa maintenance. And then later, nawala na, umistop na. Okay? So, 2015 pa po, na-stop yung pakialam ng NIA dyan. No, na-devolve sa LGU, sabi nyo, 2022, again, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, for 7 years, napabayaan sila. Pero, bago sila napabayaan, dati raw, may pumupunta dyan. Binibigyan sila ng pang-maintenance.
Opo.
And then,
Yes,
yes, pasada, nag-stop. Bakit po nag-stop?
okay, ako na pong sasagot, sir. Actually, kaya po nasira yan dahil po sa bagyo, sir. Una ho, na hinihingi ko kanina, wala po kaming QRF sa NIA. Makikita nyo po sa budget namin. Ang farmer po kasi, pag nasira, gusto nila bukas gawin muna. Ang nangyayari po sa NIA, pag nasira, magre-request kami sa OCD, ang tagal pa po bago dumating yung tulong. So, yun po yung dapat natin tignan. Pangalawa po, nawala yung tulong ng NIA dyan noong ibinagsak yung Executive Order 138 ni Pangulong Duterte. Yun po yung nawala po yung operation and maintenance nila kasi po ang sinabi ng EO 138 sa LGU na sila. Kaya ang
Oo nga sir, pero 2022 pa yon.
Yes sir, kaya
Oh,
po
pero 2015 pa po ito eh.
moving forward sir, meron na po akong sulat kung if you may sir.
Hindi nga, kaya nga sir, so aminin mo na 2015 hanggang 2022, pumalpak po yung mga taga-NIA. Not you, hindi ka kasama kasi wala ka pa eh.
Hindi ko pa alam ang istorya niyan sir.
Hindi, alam ko ng istorya kasi yung mga farmers din magsisinungaling sa amin. 2015, tiwangwang na yan. Okay? 2022, na-devolve sa LGU, nandun na tayo. So, 2015 to 2022, doon pumalpak yung mga tao ninyo. Yun yung issue. Yes or no lang.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
sagot,
sir.
tanong ko,
Yes, sir.
sagot
And,
ko, yes. Sabi mo yes.
Yes, sir.
O, di
Moving
yes.
forward
Diba?
po, sana tulungan nyo kami na ma-exempt again yung communal irrigation system sa EO 138 at mabigyan po kami ng QRF para po mas mabilis.
Yes,
ang
I will do
tulong
that.
natin sa mga-
Mr. Chair, I will do that. Sige. On the other hand, like I said kanina, before we will help you, you should help yourself first. It starts from you. Alamin mo kung ano yung mga pumalpak na project na kung saan pumalpak yung dati yung matauhan, and then kailangan maimbestigahan at makasuhan para hindi natularan. Yun po yun eh. And then, saka tayo mag-usap. If you come back to me, sabihin nyo sa amin, Mr. Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, ito na po, na-find out ko, ito mga projects na mga buluktot at ito pinaimbestigahan ko na at kakasuhan ko na po. You come back to us with those records and those lists, then we will be more than happy to help you moving on forward para dun sa mga request mo. Fair? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I think the committee would allow Gerald Bisaya to continue with this aborted presentation. How many minutes more? Because we still have to attend to other matters. And we have a private guest here who were not even called. But at this juncture, the committee would like to thank all those seated in front of the cameras. So rest assured that your heads will be covered by the television cameras.
Okay.
General
Yes, sir.
Bisaya, you
Kahit
can
5 minutes siguro, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, ito yung issue pa, sir, ni Senator Tulfo na may mga bidding contracts na parang naitago. Itong 5 projects. Actually, sir, meron pong na-post po na sa invitation to bid. Makikita po natin mamaya sa slide C. But only the Bayawas SRIP at saka Tulunan ang hindi pa po na-publish yan because it is under preparatory works. Next. So, ito po yung mga na-post. Next. Ito po, mga documents.
Medyo maliit yan documents. Sige,
sir.
bidding documents yan.
Yes, sir. Bids and Awards Committee favored contractors even though some of them were blacklisted. So nandito po si Congressman Sarmiento, no? Si Mr. Interior, and they were not given. Pero si Mr. Interior po ay bago lang po 'yan. Hindi pa po ano 'yan. Yung project lang niya sa Sulbec. Balbalungaw. All others were not given a contract, sir, after they were blacklisted.
But the blacklisting would just last for 1 year.
1 year lang, sir. Sir.
So when was the last time they were blacklisted?
Actually, parang tapos na rin po yung
Can you be blacklisted annually? Meron ba ganon?
Hindi po, sir. Hindi, sir.
Hindi pwede.
Yeah.
Minsanan lang ang if you get blacklisted, next year you will not be blacklisted. Ganun ba yan?
Pwede na, sir, na makipag sali ulit sa bidding. Na-serve na niya yung penalty po, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay. So, ito po yung mga documents. Next.
Pakibalik doon sa documents, sir.
Ito yung katunayan po, sir, na blacklist sila.
Mr. Interior is blacklisted there, di ba?
Hindi, yung kwento to, sa bidding siguro do eh.
Ha?
No? Bidding, sir, sa bidding.
This is not
Award.
blacklisting.
Award daw, sir.
Clarify mo dyan, nako-cover ng media yan. No?
Yes, sir. No contract details on the following projects. Ito po yung mga may documents, sir. na nabigyan din po sila ng notice of award, contract agreement, and notice to proceed. Again, yung Bayawan at saka Tulunan lang ang wala pa po sir dahil under preparatory works pa lang po sila.
What about Barbar? Andun na naman yung Barbar, yung tinatanong ni Senator Tulfo.
Tapos na nga po yun sir tapos na po yun.
Go ahead, sige.
Next. The quality of the canal, structure of the Buloy Small Reservoir. Ito, it was presented during the first hearing, sir.